Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm going to show you a little tool that you can use when you want to install Windows 11 on a machine that does not meet the minimum requirements. And the good news is that the next version of this tool will also add the capability to Windows 11 22H2. So you guys know that Windows 11 has a high minimum requirement with TPM 2.0, with secure boot and all of this. But that can be removed, and actually there is already a minimum requirement removal when you use the image from Microsoft itself. But if you want to completely remove any requirement, and also this will work with the next version, so you won't need internet access for creating a Microsoft account, you can use a tool called Rufus. Rufus is also a great tool because it creates bootable devices that will work with any system. So you might have noticed that old bootable USB thumb drives often do not boot with modern PCs, and that's because modern PCs require secure boot to be active, and for that to work there needs to be a special partition for that. So Rufus actually creates that, meaning that your boot device can now work even on a modern PC. When you download Rufus, you will actually have a, 3.18 is the version today, June 27th. 3.19 will come soon with the fix for Windows 11 22H2. When you actually download this tool and run it, you will have the options. Of course, you plug in your USB thumb drive before you actually use it. Then, of course, you need an image of Windows that you can download from the Microsoft website. In this case, we'll show the example with Windows 11 how to remove secure boot TPM requirements. So you choose your thumb drive. It's already chosen for me automatically. You select your image. I got it here, which is in the Documents folder. Windows 11 install ISO. Open. And here you will have image option. Now by default it's the installation with TPM 2.0 plus secure boot, but if you click, you can have it with Windows 11, no TPM, no secure boot. This removes all these requirements, meaning that for any older machine it will actually work. And so all you have to do then is click start, and that will of course tell you that everything on the thumb drive is going to be removed. You click OK, and it's going to create a bootable Windows 11 install system that does not have the minimum requirements for older PCs. So that means that Windows 11 will install on any machine pretty much, as long as the drivers and the compatibility is there. I'll post the link to the Rufus tool in the description below so you can download it. And of course, remember, the images for Windows 10, Windows 11 are available on the Microsoft website for download. Don't search for it anywhere else. You've got them on Microsoft's website available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.